Hi everyone! In this video, we'll explore a few great projects available on CrowdSupply. The links are in the description for you to check out. Now, let's start with number 15. ThunderScope is a modern alternative to traditional bulky oscilloscopes, built with a focus on high-speed data capture and streamlined performance. Instead of trying to do everything on board, it handles signal acquisition using a high-quality analog front end, then transfers raw data directly to your computer at full speed through Thunderbolt, USB 4, or PCIe. This setup enables it to stream at 1 gigasample per second continuously, while your PC handles processing, visualization, and analysis. You can view multiple signals at once, analyze long sessions, and even decode protocols, all in software. It supports up to 4 channels, with up to 350 MHz bandwidth when using one channel, or 100 MHz on all 4. There's also support for 50 ohm and 1 megaohm inputs, giving flexibility for different probes. Depending on your setup, it delivers resolutions from 8 to 12 bits. It's compact, travel-ready, and even comes with a rugged case, making it ideal for engineers or researchers who need portability without sacrificing professional-grade capability. Number 14. Now here's a breadboard that will change how you prototype circuits forever. Instead of using messy jumper wires, it allows you to make all connections digitally through software, either on your computer or directly on the board using its built-in controls. Visually, it resembles a regular breadboard, but underneath it has LEDs at each connection point that light up to show real-time signal flow, making circuit behavior easier to understand. It features 4 programmable 8-volt power supplies, 10 versatile GPIOs, and 7 measurement channels for tracking voltage, current, and resistance. There's also a precision probe for inspecting or even modifying parts of the circuit instantly, and a rotary wheel to navigate menus or adjust settings. The board works with Python and supports additional boards or Arduino-compatible modules, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Number 13. SlimeVR is a wireless full-body tracking system made for VR, designed to work without any cameras or external base stations. Instead of tracking your position through external sensors, it uses small wearable modules that measure how your body is moving. These modules send the data over Wi-Fi to your PC, which calculates your full-body movement using your headset's position and your body proportions. A basic setup includes 5 trackers, 2 on your thighs, 2 on your lower legs, and 1 on your chest. Together, they allow your virtual avatar to mirror your body movements more naturally, especially for the lower body, which standard VR setups often ignore. You can expand this system with additional trackers for even more accurate movement capture. It supports popular VR platforms like SteamVR and works with headsets including Quest and PC VR setups. Number 12. This hat lets you transform your Raspberry Pi into a compact dual-channel transmitter and receiver, while also giving full control over the onboard FPGA. With 2 independent channels, one for sub-gigahertz frequencies and one stretching all the way from 30 MHz to 6 GHz, you get a wide window into the RF spectrum, whether you're scanning signals, building custom radios, or prototyping wireless experiments. Despite that power, it stays portable. Just plug it into your Pi and power it up, no external dependencies. You also get high transmit power, low noise reception, and an onboard clock for solid signal stability. And with an 8-bit PMOD expansion interface, you can integrate synchronization, GPS modules, or even custom control signals for external systems. Number 11. WebScreen is a compact secondary display designed to sit right above your monitor, blending into your workspace like a webcam. Its main job is to deliver important information, like notifications, reminders, or viewer comments. Whether you're working, gaming, or live streaming, WebScreen keeps key updates in your line of sight so you're not constantly reaching for your phone or switching tabs. It features a sharp AMOLED screen with vibrant color and a 240 by 536 resolution, powered by the efficient ESP32 S3 microcontroller, and connects easily via USB Type-C with support for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The device is highly customizable. You can choose exactly what you want it to display, And for those who enjoy tinkering, it offers flexibility to build and run custom JavaScript apps. It even has a built-in mount system, allowing you to attach a webcam without losing desk space. Most of the projects we've covered here are built on a PCB, the backbone of every design. And if you're looking for a trusted place to get yours made, you can always rely on JLCPCB. Ordering is simple. Upload your Gerber file, get an instant quote, and place your order in minutes. They also offer full-service manufacturing, from PCB customization to assembly, all in one place. You can get 1 to 8-layer PCBs for just $2, with fast, efficient production that keeps costs low. Everything is made in-house with strict quality control, and orders are trackable every step of the way. With 24-hour turnaround and dependable delivery, JLCPCB delivers both speed and quality. Visit JLCPCB now, your trusted source for professional PCB and PCBA services. Number 10. Discovery Dish is a lightweight satellite dish designed to receive real-time data from weather satellites like GK2A and Fengyun, operating around 1.69 GHz. At the center of the dish is a special receiver part, called the L-band feed, which includes a built-in amplifier and filters to boost the signal. You can expect signal strengths good enough to decode images and data with just a basic setup. Many users get clear results using software like SatDump or Jero on a Raspberry Pi or laptop. It is easy to swap the receiver to target different signals. You can switch to a hydrogen line feed for simple radio astronomy or pick a different one to receive aircraft or ship messages via Inmarsat. It comes with a 6-meter cable that's light and flexible, and since the amplifier is right at the dish, there's no need for heavy-duty wiring. You can also mount it on small tripods or antenna rotators without worrying about size or weight. Number 9. If you are looking to extend the capabilities of Bamboo Lab X1 3D printers, then have a look at this expander board. You can plug in a range of expansion modules, like addressable LED controllers, camera shutter triggers, and RGB status indicators, and control them using Actions, a powerful scripting system built into the X1Plus firmware. It adds essential ports, Ethernet, dual USB, and I2C, alongside 4 customizable GPIO headers, all managed by an onboard RP2040 microcontroller. This compact board sits neatly behind the printer's screen and draws power from the printer's 24-volt supply, stepping it down to stable 5 volts and 3.3 volts without straining the existing system. Whether you're automating time-lapse photography, adding environmental sensors, or improving print farm monitoring, the expander's open design, auto-detection features, and flexible interface make it a highly adaptable upgrade. Number 8. Pixel Pump is an open-source vacuum pump designed to make manual SMT assembly easier, faster, and more enjoyable. The design includes a comfortable weighted pen with a magnetic base, a soft silicone hose, and 5 interchangeable stainless steel nozzles in different sizes. The nozzles are mounted using a standard Luer lock fitting, so swapping them is quick and hassle-free. The RGB backlit silicone buttons that let you adjust vacuum power, switch between high and low suction modes, activate reverse mode to clear blocked nozzles, or tweak LED brightness. A built-in vacuum relief valve ensures components drop quickly when the foot pedal is released, and it can be optionally configured to blow air for clearing debris. Inside, a sintered air filter protects the system from contaminants and is easily accessible for cleaning. Pixel Pump is a perfect match for SMD magazines and magazine rails, which help organize and present components cleanly on your workbench. The magazines can store thousands of parts, while the rails hold up to 8 magazines each at the ideal angle for picking. Number 7. Polverine is a compact environmental monitoring board powered by the ESP32 S3 Mini 1, offering Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for smart, connected applications. It integrates 2 advanced Bosch sensors. The BMV80 handles particulate matter detection like PM2.5 without needing a fan, making it silent and energy efficient. Alongside it, the BME690 measures temperature, humidity, air pressure, and gas levels to detect volatile organic compounds. It supports expansion through microbus add-ons and is compatible with various development platforms. Its small form factor, combined with real-time environmental sensing and wireless connectivity, makes it a strong fit for indoor air quality monitoring, smart home integration, and portable environmental sensing projects. Number 6. The Raspberry Breadstick is a slim, thoughtfully designed development board built around the RP2040 chip, the same one used in the Raspberry Pi Pico. What makes it stand out is its long, narrow shape that fits perfectly on a breadboard, placing all the input-output pins neatly along the sides. This layout removes the usual tangle of jumper wires and makes your projects cleaner, more organized, and easier to troubleshoot. It supports both CircuitPython and MicroPython, so you can start coding with simple Python commands, and it also works with Arduino IDE, if you're more comfortable with that. Onboard, it features 24 RGB LEDs that can be programmed with libraries like Adafruit DotStar or Fast LED to create animations or visual effects. It also includes a 6-axis motion sensor, letting you build fun interactive projects like a light wand that draws patterns in the air. Powering the board is easy with USB-C, and it even supports USB power delivery, so it can safely draw more current when needed, perfect for handling those bright LEDs. Number 5. If your Raspberry Pi projects keep getting interrupted by sudden power cuts or unstable supply, this power management board is the fix you've been looking for. It's a compact UPS-like solution that ensures your Pi keeps running smoothly, even when the mains go out. With a built-in 1500 mAh battery, it can keep your Raspberry Pi alive for several hours without a hiccup. It features a smart charge controller that protects against overcharging, supports high-speed charging up to 1.5 amps, and even works with solar panels through configurable PowerPoint settings. A built-in power manager communicates with the Pi over I2C to handle clean shutdowns, monitor voltages, and prevent deep discharges, all automatically. It also includes thoughtful features like an on-off button, power charge indicator, a real-time clock for timed wake-ups, and an auto-boot shutdown system that adjusts based on power availability. Number 4. Next, we have an amazing IoT device that lets you send and receive data over long distances while consuming minimal power. It supports LTE-M and NB-IoT networks, and includes built-in GPS for real-time location tracking. It has a rechargeable battery system that can even work with a small solar panel, and can monitor its own battery health, helping you manage devices remotely. The board comes preloaded with 500 megabytes of data and 250 SMS, valid for 10 years and usable in over 100 countries. Stratus Pro is also compatible with platforms like Edge Impulse for AI tasks, Memfault for remote updates and debugging, and DataCake for building dashboards. Number 3. If you're just getting started with electronics or looking to build a wireless project without diving deep into coding, the BlueIO832 Mini is the perfect board to explore. It's a tiny but powerful Bluetooth-enabled development board that comes with its companion app, BlueIO Wizard, which lets you control and monitor the board directly from your phone. You can easily send or receive data, toggle outputs, read sensor values, or adjust settings in real time, all with a clean mobile interface. The board supports common input and output types like digital signals, analog sensors, and serial communication, making it flexible for many types of projects. It works with different voltage levels, includes built-in RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and even allows you to add NFC functionality. Number 2. SaraKIT is an open-source expansion board built for the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4, designed for voice control applications, advanced motor handling, and smart device integration. The diameter of this board is around 9 centimeters, yet it's packed with features: stereo 6-watt audio output, dual accelerometers, a gyroscope, a temperature sensor, and a microcontroller for real-time processing. The board comes with 3 built-in microphones that can clearly pick up your voice from up to 5 meters away. It can also detect where the sound is coming from, so your device can react more intelligently. It also allows you to connect to popular platforms like ChatGPT, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Home Assistant, making it easy to create a smart system. SaraKIT also supports stereo vision with dual CSI camera inputs, a feature not available on standard Raspberry Pi boards. This opens the door to depth perception, object tracking, and face analysis powered by Google's MediaPipe algorithms, all optimized for the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4. Number 1. Want your hoodie to light up like a disco, or your costume to sparkle without touching a soldering iron? GlowStitch LEDs make it ridiculously easy to add light to clothing, crafts, and wearables. No coding, soldering, or tedious stitching required. Instead of traditional electronic kits, these are designed as flexible LED strips that can be sewn using a regular sewing machine or simply stuck onto surfaces using conductive fabric tape. Each strip includes either color-changing RGB or white LEDs and connects to a compact battery holder. The complete maker kit bundles everything together, including 10 LED strips, battery holders, fabric tape, and a visual guide, making it easy to get started. If you've made it till here, then drop a like and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. Comment the project that you loved the most. We will be back with some great ideas soon. Till then, goodbye.